Well, here we are today. This will be the last installment of replacing the landing gear on this 88 Fleetwood Cimarron. After going through all the parts and everything, trying to locate them online, I just came to the conclusion it would be easier just to buy new parts. Without make and model, the gears, although they're inexpensive, just trying to find them and replace them has become a pain in the butt. So, about 275 bucks on Amazon. I got this 8,000 pound landing gear. Everything's gonna work. I was only concerned with this here because it's designed, this is where your hand crank goes, your motor. It's designed to go straight up. However, I can turn it this way, which will meet my hole there, which is hand cranked. I'm not gonna even monkey with putting the motor on right now, but everything's pretty straightforward. And shouldn't have a problem. Probably take me less than half an hour to put it in. I will note this thing I bought, yeah, I had to go out and buy nuts and bolts. Those were missing. Other than that, though, should be easy assembly, and I can put this project to rest and end it. Alrighty, we'll see ya.